How to add Conflux space on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Conflux space on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Conflux space. In order to add it, just simply toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your home page and click on CFX eSpace. Now tap on receipt. With the help of this wallet address and QR code, you can receive Conflux space from different crypto wallets. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add Conflux space on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.